Good morning students. Today we are learn your 10th topic business correspondence. Business correspondence we are learn here. That's business correspondence. Last lecture we are learn here layout of business letter. We are learn last lectures. Today we are learn here physicals essentials of the good business letters. Essentials of a good business letter, that's we are learn the first ones. What is the meanings of the essentials of the good business letter? Good business letter is that which conveys maximum information and minimum word clearly and correctly. A business letter should possess following qualities to call it the good business letter. Next, first, clarity. Clarity is the source of business letter. The message of the letter must be clear, simple, and common words are to be used. Technical, double meaning word and short form should be avoided. The name and figure are important part of letter so that they should be correct and clear. Here's clarity. Business letter it must be required for clear and correctly. Clarity shoots a business letter, that's a very importance in the business letter. That the message of the letter must be clear, that the readers are easily understand that the letter language etc. that the message are sent to the receiver, that the easily, therefore message of the letter must be clear, simple and common word are to be used. Don't using for the hard word here, only using for the family words. Technicals, double meaning word and short form should be avoided here. Sometimes the short forms are the double meanings are there. Therefore, avoid for the short forms. Double meaning words are also avoided in business letter. The name and figure are important part of letters. So they should be correct and clear. That the first essential importance of business letter. Second was consciousness. Letters should be in the brief, short forms. Minimum word are to be used. Unnecessary and irrelevant information should be avoided. A brief letter saves the time of the readers and prove more effective. Therefore, conscience it means of the briefness, short forms. We are using here the short. Business letter always write in the short. That minimum word are to be used in your business letter. Don't using for the so many paragraph and so many page. Only here the minimum 3 paragraph are required in the business letters. Unnecessary and irrelevant information should be avoided. Only important informations are written in business letter. A brief letter saves the time of the readers and prove more effective. That's the consciousness. Another one's completeness. A letter must give complete information to the readers. The letter should cover all possible fact and figure pertaining to the subject matters of the letter. An incomplete letter does not achieve and desired the result. Always business letter we are written in complete. Don't send incomplete letters. A letter must be complete information to the readers. The letter should cover all possible fact and figure pertaining to the subject matters of the letter. Therefore, incomplete letter does not achieve the desired result. Not coming for the good result for your business letter here. Next one's courtesy. Courtesy means the language of the letter must be polite and kind. The courteous letter gets a favorable response from the readers. Harsh, rude words, insulting remark, etc. should be avoided. Always using for the polite language in your business letter. kindness language are using in your business letter. Don't use it hard, rude word and insulting word are written in your business letter. Next one's correctness. A business letter should be correct regarding information or message. Any mistake in figures or fact will create the problems. There should not be any grammatical and spelling mistakes. Always using here the good and correct informations we are sent in your business letter. That avoid for here the grammatical and spelling mistakes is the correctness. Another ones are here coherence. A letter should be written in the logical sequence. The message should be divided into different paragraphs. All paragraphs should be arranged logically or connected to each other. The letters are written in 3 paragraphs. First paragraph for introduction paragraph, second paragraph for here the main messages, main important paragraph, and third paragraph are the conclusion paragraph. Always letter writing in logicals, always using for paragraph. Next, considerations. This is also called as the use of you attitude. The letter should be written from the reader's point of view. The writer should give the due importance and consideration to the readers and consider the problems of the readers. The reader has to be motivated to act after reading the contents of the letters is the consideration. This is always write in the you attitude to point of readers. That is the consideration. Next, carefulness. A business letter should be careful. Careful letter is positive and it shows a spirit of hopefulness. The letter writer should avoid negative words and sentences. Don't write in negative words and sentences in business letter. It is the essentials of good business letter that the 7 C are involved. First is clarity, conciseness, completeness, courtesy, correctness, coherence, considerations and carefulness. That is the 8 C is the essential of a good business letter. फर्स्ट क्या होना चाहिए बिजनेस लेटर में? पहला पॉइंट होना चाहिए क्लियरिटी. क्लियरिटी ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है बिजनेस लेटर में. आप जब भी आपका लेटर लिखोगे तो वो क्लियर और सिंपल वर्ड में ही होना चाहिए. डोंट यूजिंग फॉर द डबल मीनिंग वर्ड एंड शॉर्ट फॉर्म आर यूजिंग इन योर बिजनेस लेटर. सेकेंड, कंसियसनेस. लेटर ऑलवेज आपका ब्रीफ होना चाहिए, शॉर्ट में. बहुत सारे आपको 2-3 पेज में नहीं होना चाहिए, 1 पेज में ही आपका लेटर इनफ हो जाना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, कंप्लीटनेस. आपका लेटर ऑलवेज कंप्लीट होना चाहिए, कभी भी इनकम्प्लीट होना नहीं चाहिए. जब भी आप लेटर लिखोगे उसमें कंप्लीटली इंफॉर्मेशन आनी चाहिए जो आपको रीडर को देनी है. नेक्स्ट, कॉर्टसी. आपकी जो लैंग्वेज रहेगी वो पोलाइट एंड काइंडनेस, सिंपल लैंग्वेज, पोलाइट लैंग्वेज आपको यूज़ करनी है. रूड वर्ड, इंसल्टिंग वर्ड आपको यूज़ करने नहीं है. करेक्टनेस. आप जब भी बिजनेस लेटर लिखोगे तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें करेक्ट होनी चाहिए. जो भी आप मैसेज दे रहे हो सभी मैसेज आपका करेक्ट होना चाहिए. आप कुछ डेट दे रहे हो या कुछ फिगर्स दे रहे हो या कुछ भी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक या स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक कुछ भी उसमें होना नहीं चाहिए. आपका जो लेटर रहेगा वो ऑलवेज करेक्ट होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, कोहेरेंस. दैट लेटर आपका ऑलवेज लॉजिकल पैराग्राफ वाइज ही आपको लिखना है. इंट्रोडक्शन पैराग्राफ, मेन पैराग्राफ, फिर कंक्लूजन पैराग्राफ, ये 3 पैराग्राफ में आपका लेटर डिवाइडेड होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, यू एटीट्यूड. रीडर के एटीट्यूड्स पे होना चाहिए. केयरफुलनेस. इट शुड बी रिटन फॉर केयरफुली एंड पॉजिटिव व्यू. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.